Jer- Jeremiah 51 and verse 7. It says, Babylon has been a golden cup in Yahweh's hand that made all the earth drunken. The nations have drunk for wine, therefore the nations are mad. Jeremiah 51 and verse 8. Babylon is suddenly fallen and squared, how for her to take bond for her pain, and so that she may be healed. Jeremiah 51 verse 9. We would have healed Babylon, but she's not healed, forsake her. Let us go everyone to his own country, for her judgment which the heavens of the skies. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh and his unbegotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai, as the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lost Wadash, the Holy Tongue. And I say the Rakadam to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa, from Master Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson that I want to bring out of the Slaki. And this is a sit down lesson that I want to bring out of this news article right here. It says market Investopedia as of May the 19th, 2026, and it reads market news. S&P 500 falls for the third straight season as Treasury yields surge. It says the major index pulled back Tuesday with a S&P 500 and Nasdaq composite ending lower for the third straight session as a 10-year Treasury yield hits a highest level since early last year. The tech-heavy Nasdaq blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average, a benchmark 500, closed down to 0.8% and 0.7% and 0.7% respectively, as lower for the day. And the Nasdaq fell off 1.5% for Monday's close. Yesterday, tech share fell to short business earnings week. It says with the memory stock among the biggest decliners as oil prices rose and Treasury yields extended their advance. The 10-year Treasury yield with influence of the interest rates and mortgages and other consumers loans were at 4.67% at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, up from yesterday's closing level, 4.59%. Early Tuesday, it touched 4.69%, the highest intraday level since 2016. Since January 16, 2025, I meant to say. It says they back and what level will investors decide at the time to get back in. Paddle Garvelle, head of the global debt and rate strategy at NIG. It said, reading commentary, the problem is that particular levels is fraught and with danger and a slavish to the extension cost of the script for moves, and that remains large unknown. Oil prices pause their advance after Trump wrote on Truth Social Monday afternoon that the U.S. was asked by the Middle East allies to hold off a planned military attack on set for today, which was Tuesday. Although they remain elevated, West Texas intermediate futures of the U.S. crude oil benchmark recently were 0.1% and lower at 108.60. So that was the so with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying. This recent news article that I just showed, as the markets was down for the third right for the third straight time. Other Treasury yields went up high. So with that, all praise to Yahweh Shemashai, Kwame Shalom.